How to stop unwanted mails on Gmail. So now go ahead and launch the Gmail application. If you're tired of receiving promotional emails on your account, just tap the three horizontal lines located on the upper left corner. From here, you will see the promotions option. So tap this option and it will show you the emails sent as promotions. So to unsubscribe, just tap the email. Scroll down at the end of the email and you will find this unsubscribe from this list option. So this may vary from email to email, but most often you will find this option at the end of every email. Or you could just tap the ellipsis icon found on the upper right corner and you will find this unsubscribe option. So just tap unsubscribe and this prompt will appear confirming that you have unsubscribed from this email. Or another option would be to report it as a spam. So same thing, just tap the ellipsis icon found on the upper right corner and tap the report spam option. And so those are the ways on how to stop unwanted mails on Gmail. Thank you and have a great day.